Littelfuse Suzhou Company Limited is located in the city of Suzhou, about 80 miles west of Shanghai. Established in 1995, it was the first overseas plant of Littelfuse Corporate based in Chicago. The Suzhou campus sits on 3.2 acres of land and has one building which includes manufacturing, offices, warehouse, and logistics areas and laboratories. It employs 641 people, operating 3 shifts, 5 days a week, leaving weekends as flex for overtime. Here they produce circuit protection devices and sensors for use in consumer electronics, home appliance, automotive electronics, and telecom power. In 2013, Littelfuse Corporate acquired Hamlin Electronics, which had one of its factories in Suzhou. This was relocated to existing Littelfuse facilities, with the automotive sensor products going to Littelfuse Suzhou in 2016. The Suzhou plant is the centralized location for Asia Shared Services, with 150 associates working on R&D, technical service, human resources, finance, logistics central, and customer service. Although they had begun implementing a Six Sigma program in 2010, it was in 2011 that Suzhou, like all the Littelfuse plants around the globe, got started with the very successful Lean Small Group activity, empowering employees from the ground up to get involved with Lean. At this time, a comprehensive total productive maintenance system was introduced, and Suzhou began tracking overall equipment effectiveness. If a piece of equipment does not achieve 85% OEE at a minimum, improvement activities continue until the minimum is reached. Office and management are all involved and use Lean tools on a regular basis. And they have now begun working with suppliers to enhance their focus on becoming more lean, enabling both parties to improve their business. Visual management and 6S are implemented throughout the site, both in production and office functions. They continuously evolve and are very helpful for gathering information quickly and solving problems efficiently. The Suzhou plant has become one of the high-growth and high-profitability plants of Littelfuse Global. The 5-year strategy for Suzhou is to sustain higher gross profits, develop quality control with 0 defect, and reach higher engagement survey scores by 2021. Congratulations to Littelfuse Suzhou for the AME Excellence Award.